Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 20th when I'm recording this, and remember, today is going to be, or this week is going to be a full week, but next week we have Memorial Day on Monday, so we're going to have Monday off. It'll be a short week, and we have a 3-day weekend, so make sure you take some time away from the markets. Boy, we have got some interesting things to talk about. The market's doing great. We've been doing some day trading, and then also some really great trades in between. But this weekend, Tom Sosnoff and the Tastyworks crew actually came to town in Seattle, and so I got to go there, check it out, say hi to them. Now, for those of you who care and want to check this out, John Carter and Tom Sosnoff are doing a thing. I think it's Tuesday or Monday. I'll have to look at that, but one of those days, if you guys want to come over to simplertrading.com and check out our calendar, I'm sure we've got all sorts of promotions there. But they're going to be talking and doing a thing, so I want to check that out. We were able to talk and discuss that a little bit. He's looking forward to it. And then let's see, I got another couple of pictures here. So this is him on stage. We've got front row seats. And it was really quite interesting to have him talk about how to do they call it a modern portfolio, but complex portfolio, building and all this kind of stuff. And now Tom and the Tastyworks crew, they're huge on selling premium and then factoring in some other things with futures to help offset this and hedging this. And I'll show you what that actually kind of looks like. He said we're getting a PhD in about 2 hours on this thing, but that's what it looks like. And you can see the red stuff is all the options and things that they mostly are short because they're selling premium. And he was going through this. It was very interesting, and so I appreciated checking this out and seeing what he had. And you can see here they also had futures and stocks and cash about how they set up their portfolio. The one thing I found interesting, they said, you always need to have some cash because you never know when a good opportunity is going to be coming along and you might want to take it. So just make sure that you always got something to work with. So that being said, some of the trades that we're seeing coming up, the cryptos are looking very, very interesting. And in fact, with this one, CLSK, there's your Moxie price trigger. And check this out. You've got your positive divergence right in through there. With that, we can also see that we have MSTR. Bitcoin has been doing well, and you want to see where that setup is? Right there. There's your Moxie price trigger. All right, guys? So for those of you who like to listen to me and you have not purchased the Moxie Indicator, I'm telling you, this is what you need to pick them up for because there is your perfect setup. And we're seeing that with CLSK. We're seeing them with Mara and Irene and a handful of the cryptos. They're not all perfect, but we are definitely seeing them set up. And we've got some other ones out there that are doing very, very well for us. In fact, let me show you Reddit. This is another one. Check this out. There is your Moxie price trigger again, and there is your daily Moxie price trigger. And we got into this thing right there after earnings, and we already cashed in some profits on this one. So we are really, really happy with this one. I'll even show you CELH. This is another one that we took, and you want to see this? Right there. There is your Moxie price trigger, okay? And again, I like to wait till after earnings, and so we are profitable on this one already, and we cashed in with it. So it is doing fantastically. All right, guys. So let's just make sure you guys come into the Moxie Trading Room. It's very interesting. We're having a great time, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.